videos review my trade setup on my trade pair. So this video, I want to use this video to show you my review on XAUUSD and three other pairs that I do trade in the Forex market. So on this video, I'll be revealing to you XAUUSD, and on the next video, I'll be showing you GBP/USD, GBP/JPY, EUR/JPY. Yeah, that's the four pairs that I do trade. So watch out for my analysis on XAUUSD on this video. So before I show you my charts, first of all, I would like you to know that this video is so important to you, especially if you are a day trader. For swing traders, I don't know how this video will be of help to you, but just grab one or two from this particular video. First of all, know that this video is a combination of technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So this is a research I've been doing for over a week now so that I can come up with this particular quality video. Welcome to the new year, and this will be my first video for this new year 2024. So stay tuned and watch the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. Let's move to the chart. On the chart on XAUUSD, if you watch this XAUUSD, so today is Sunday evening. So the markets will be opening in the next 3 hours for XAUUSD. So the market usually opens around 11. So on XAUUSD, first of all, you do a top-down analysis before I arrive at what exactly I want to show you in this particular video. So first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4 is my major time frame, but because of this top-down, I'll be using the weekly and the daily time frame. So if you look at my chart, this is the market. The market has been in a serious uptrend right from trading view data, from the phase of trading view data. So if you watch this current price position as of now, you see that this price is at a good resistance level. That's why I placed this particular gold line. This is a good resistance. So for you to get this exact chart that I'm doing now, if you want to do it on your own chart, make sure your this is online, your view is online. This is line, then this is candlestick. So how to set it? You come to this bar settings, this it. I put line and candle as my favorite, so I'll use line because line will give you exactly what you need and filter the noise in the chart. So here is my weekly time frame, and market is currently at the weekly major resistance, and here is all-time high for XAUUSD. So here is all-time high resistance. So it will be very hard for gold to just break it because gold has been rejected from this particular zone 3 good times, 1, 2, 3, and here is the 4th time. So gold is at this 4th time going to break it, but it won't just come and break it. So first of all, I notice that gold is currently drawing a serious trend line, and there's possibility that gold will get to touch this trend line again before it will seriously push up against this resistance and start trending up to the upside. So as I've already shown you this major resistance, so what we have now currently is that on our weekly level, you notice that gold is still creating a higher high. Do you get me now? A higher low, a new higher high here. Do you get me now? A higher low. So here now becomes our support on XAUUSD, our weekly support. Weekly support is at weekly support. Yeah, here is weekly support 2010. Do you get me now? 2010 is our weekly support. Do you get me now? So for gold to sell, gold has to break this support. Then we know gold is currently coming towards this trend line. But if gold can hold above this support, then gold should likely come and clear the highs. Do you get me now? Until gold breaks this support and closes below this support here, then we should be seeing more downside up to this trend line here. You get me? Till gold touches this trend line. But if gold fails to break this support, gold should hold above this support and find its way to the upside. Now, the most interesting thing about this particular thing is that gold is currently in where I will call a range. It didn't get to take out this high. You didn't get to take out this next high. Do you get me now? You didn't get to take out this next high. Do you get me? So there is high chances that gold might get to break this support and get to the zone. So this is still on our weekly time frame. So putting on the candle, you see that gold break this place, but seriously rejected. Do you get me now? Created this support, and it has been ranging on this support. So this previous week, before this new week that we are entering now, gold closed a red candle for that previous week. Do you get me now? So we should be expecting more or less a sell down to this support for this coming week. Then possibly the NFP by February, first Friday of February, might give us a clear direction of price movements on XAUUSD, whether gold will break here or gold will break here. Do you get me now? So let's go down to our daily time frame and see what we have on our daily time frame. So on our daily time frame, this is XAUUSD. So we switch back to our line mode so you can get a clear view. So watching from our line mode, do you get me? You see that gold from this trend line made a serious pump up to the upside, created this resistance, came back to break the resistance, and is currently on top of that resistance. So the daily time frame gives us a clear view that gold is holding strongly above this support zone. Do you get me now?
and gold made the third touch on this particular trend line that is moving here. So there is something remarkable I noticed on XAUUSD. Then now watch. If I put on my candle, you see that okay, I'll still show you what happened here when we switch to our 4-hour time frame. So still on our daily time frame. Gold didn't take out this side. Okay, on the daily time frame telling us that gold took out this side but rejected immediately. Do you get it? Because if you should put our mode here, you see that gold broke it at this daily level and rejected immediately. So there is higher chances that this movement here is likely going to clear out this size. There is higher chances that it's going to clear out this size. But remember that few weekly level is still showing us that gold might still come back to break this support. So you still take our daily small pips while waiting for the major move on XAUUSD to determine the major trend. But so far so good, gold is still on a bullish trend. Now, if you watch this particular price movement, here is 17th, right? This is 13th, this is 13th, 13th November, 13th December. Here now, 13th of January was not a trading day. 13th of January was somewhere here. You get me? On Saturday. So that is possibly why this price did not touch this trend line on the 13th of January. Do you get me now? And it came to touch this trend line on 17th. 13th here is Wednesday. Here is Friday. Yeah. So I believe so. Like I believe strongly that there must be something happening on XAUUSD that like we are having something like a significant day that gold is touching this trend line, or a significant week time period that gold is touching this trend line. So let's wait for 13th February and see what happens around this zone. Do you get me now? So after our daily time frame, we switch to our 4-hour time frame. Remember that weekly time frame is still bullish, but last week closed with a bearish candle. Our daily time frame is strongly bullish on XAUUSD. So our 4-hour time frame, what is our 4-hour time frame also showing us? But before we get to that, now let me show you something about how price reacted to this line on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we had an end pattern here, and gold pushed all the way up. You get me now? At the second time of touching this trend line, gold give us a good. Remember that this thing was, I think this should be a FOMO news that happened that caused this price movement here. I can remember so far, so good. So there was a video I created previously. You can see how gold reacted to this price, how gold reacted at this particular region. I think I will link the video to this in the video description so that you can get to watch that video and see what happened at this zone. I created a video on that before. So gold created a good pattern here and rejected seriously from this place. Likewise, at this particular region, gold also created a pattern, but the pattern was not for me. Gold is likely coming back to break this support. For me, gold is coming back to break the support. I don't have any personal bias. We are going to trade only what the market gives us. So anything the market shows us, we work with that. If the market still shows us an uptrend, we work with uptrend. So if market shows a downtrend, we switch our bias to a downtrend and treat the market as a downtrend. So far so good. Let's just watch the trend in a 4-hour time frame is still a bearish pattern, because here is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So what is happening here is still yet going to confirm whether this market movement can take out this side. If not, we watch the market come and take out this low. Do you get me now? That is for the 4-hour time frame on XAUUSD. So 4-hour time frame for now will be the last time frame I will use, because our 15 minutes and our 5 minutes time frame is majorly for entries, and 1-hour time frame is just to define our 4-hour time frame, so you can pick an entry either from the 15 minutes or from the 5-minute time frame. So I told you people that this video is not just about technicals. I have a fundamentals like backing this particular analysis. So where do I get my fundamentals from? Aside using our this in Forex Factory, I want you to look at your trading view. You see something like this on your trading view, right? Click it. You see there was a news on XAUUSD, right? So allow the news to load. You see that this is what the information we are getting from that particular view, like from this particular news source. So as I scroll down, first of all, remember that XAUUSD is a US pair. So USD, which is the DXY now, DXY chart now, is showing us a good bullish movement on DXY. So if DXY is on a good bullish movement, there is possibility that other pairs that has USD as there, like something like GBP USD now. So as long as USD now is like the secondary pair now, so which means that GBP will be stronger to USD if USD is weak. So for USD now to be strong, it means that GBP USD is likely going to be bearish. XAU USD is likely going to be bearish. Euro USD is likely going to be bearish. But something like USD JPY, USD CAD, USD this, USD that, it's likely going to be bullish because USD is a major pair. You get me now? So my first confidence for having a like 30% bias that gold is likely going to sell is because DXY is currently in a something that looks like a bullish phase. If you look at your DXY chart, you see that is what I mean. This is US dollar index chart, daily chart here. So if you go down, down, let's look for gold news. Here is our gold news, right? Yeah, here is our gold news. So gold reveals its vulnerability to further selling as a result of renewed vigor uh, from the dollar and the US Fed. Fed members warn market about overly optimistic rate cut bets. So this thing now, personally, I'm not a fundamental guy, but personally, I would say that I should be expecting more sales than buy on a short term for XAUUSD. You get me now? But you still wait for market to react so you can react to anything the market asks. So far so good. I hope you learned something from this particular video, and don't forget to like this video and share this video if this video was really helpful to you. So if you really watch this video up to this extent, I would like you to type Jovianking trace, then type this video duration that you see here so that it will tell me that you watch this video to this particular place. I will start doing a giveaway for all my subscribers and all my viewers that watches my video to this particular length. So see you next time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and share this video to any gold trader that you know. See you next time. Do banking trace.